In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Boolean local variable, apply it to layers, and connect it in a prototype. We'll walk through each action clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. Start by moving your attention to the right side of the interface. Locate the local variables section and open it. Here, create a new variable. When you're prompted for a type, choose Boolean. A Boolean is simply a true or false toggle, perfect for showing and hiding elements or switching states. Give your variable a clear, memorable name, something like example, so it's easy to find later. Set its default value to true. Setting it to true ensures that anything you bind to it starts in the on or visible state, which is often the most intuitive starting point when you're designing and testing. Next, select the components or layers you want this variable to control. Navigate to the Layers panel. Find the Layers visibility icon, the little I, and double-click it. This brings up a search field that lets you connect visibility to a variable. Type the name of the variable you just created and choose it. Now that layer's visibility is driven by your variable. With the variable set to true, the layer will show, set it to false, and it will hide. This is a clean way to keep your design consistent without duplicating screens or manually toggling visibility over and over. Now head back to the prototypes area to make this variable react to user input. Add an interaction to the element that should control the toggle. If there's a pre-existing interaction you don't need, click the X button to remove it so you start fresh. Then click the plus sign to add a new interaction. Open the action dropdown and choose Set Variable. This is where you tell the prototype what should happen, like flipping the variable from true to false when a button is pressed. Note that this specific set variable action requires an upgrade to unlock in some plans. If you see that upgrade prompt, that's expected behavior. You can still design with variables and test the logic conceptually, but the automated prototype action to change variable values is a premium feature. Once that's set up, your Boolean variable ties everything together. The layer reacts to the variable, and the interaction changes the variable, giving you a smooth, maintainable workflow. That's the complete flow from creating a variable, binding it to a layer, and wiring it up in your prototype.